Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your Roblox password on your Windows PC. Now, this technique will only work if you have previously saved your password. And to see if you have done that, just open up your browser, then just open up new tab. And in the tab, type this. If you're using Chrome, just type this, Chrome/password manager/password. Just type exactly this, or what you can do is just click on the three dot icon in any browser and then just click on settings. From the settings, what you have to do is just come here and click on autofill and passwords, and then just click on Google Password Manager or whatever password manager your browser is using, just use that. And in here, type for Roblox and click on this, and then just give your PIN, and here you'll be able to see your username as well as password. And that's basically it. And that is how to see your Roblox password. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.